Obviously, the dream scenario is to win. But the slightly step down dream scenario...
They're lying to you which one they're pulling.
No, the slightly step down dream scenario would be
Mikey's face
him
right
to
now.
struggle
This is
for these
all-
first few games and then shoot 300 for an extra 100 and finish 13th place.
That is beautiful.
Almost as beautiful as you, Nick.
Hell yeah! My luscious locks. A couple more years, I might be up in Mitch's category.
Welcome back for day two. Well, this is day one of me not bowling, but day two, so these guys.
Hey.
What are you?
Fourth? I don't know.
Fourth, plus like three something?
Eighth, plus 290s.
Eighth, plus 290. So we got the boys. The boys are good. This is a little different format than the last one. It is 6 games cut to 12, 6 games cut to 4. So hopefully these boys are bowling 12 games today. I got a feeling they both will be. And hopefully one of them can get on the show and win a title.
I drew 3 balls, so there's no way I'm not bowling at least 12 games. Don't know where I'm going to finish, but I'm bowling 12 games today.
That means you're finishing in the top 12, so that's good. All right, well, let's get to bowling. Who's going to win this tournament?
Santu.
What's his rev rate? Take a guess.
Give me like 620.
620 on the rev rate.
I think that's accurate.
And you think that's accurate?
I think that's accurate.
Devastating.
I think between him and Jesper, it's neck and neck for the highest rev rate on tour, but I might give a slight edge to Santu. It's disgusting. Well,
Going all the way.
I mean, obviously the dream scenario is to win. But the slightly step down dream scenario...
They're lying to you which one they're pulling.
No, the slightly step down dream scenario would
at
be
Mikey's face
him
right
to
now.
struggle
This is
for these
all-
first few games and then shoot 300 for an extra 100 and finish 13th place. So it just misses the cut, leaves on a high note, and we get to start this 12-hour drive ASAP. But right now...
Bad friends.
Terrible. Terrible. I get it though. I get where they're coming from.
Listen, we
I
want
get where they're coming from. Come on, Brad, struggle.
It's only
No,
different
we're here till
because
tomorrow. I'm with Brad.
it's only different because we don't want Darren to drive.
You don't want Darren to drive.
Which means
That's a good point. That's a good point. He did say that if he won, that he would drive the entire way home,
I still
which
wouldn't want him to
I
drive.
don't.
You guys sure you want that?
Which I don't think we want that.
Insert
so,
picture of the car.
Which I don't know if we want that. So maybe that's why we're pulling for a maybe
Multiple reasons.
13th place. I mean, it's still a solid performance.
13th is good.
Yeah, it's a solid performance. A good week. I'd take it. I'd take it.
So as I'm sitting and watching, I'm thinking, does Belmo make this cut? He qualified like 23rd. Does he make this one?
He qualified like 13th.
He did qualify like 13th. He was ahead of Darren. No. Yeah.
3 pins behind him.
Oh, 3 pins behind Darren. So he was like 12th or 13th. Struggled so far. He's he just had
880.
Yeah, he just had a 240. So,
Yeah, so he's at 880.
he only has like 30 overs.
He's just barely outside the number.
And started with the front 3. It's starting to get to where you got to be pretty far left and pretty steep.
What's he shooting this game?
300.
258.
258 this game. You heard it here first. I'm going with 279.
300.
If you could tell the people anything, what would you tell them?
What's your name?
Cooper,
Cooper, are you a bowler, lefty or righty?
righty. I bowl two-handed.
You bowl two-handed. Who's your favorite bowler?
Belmont.
Could have saw that one coming.
It's my favorite bowler too.
Oh, sorry. Were you filming something?
Better guesser than I am a bowler.
All right, so we got one game to go. This is the last game. Prather's just inside the number. Nick is like just inside the number. Darren just shot 300, so he's on the show. He was barely inside the number, and now he's like on the show.
Yeah, he was the cut. Now he's 4th. So I just pulled up the scores. Yeah, so Nick is 10th. He's in the number, I mean, technically if you want to look at 13th. Nick's in by 34.
Okay, so he needs 220 probably.
Yeah. Prather,
To guarantee himself.
And Prather's in by 39. No, sorry. So yeah, 25.
Yeah.
Oh, he's at 425, yeah. So he's at, what, 43 inside the number?
Okay.
Darren's obviously well inside the number now. Brad's in 3rd, so he's well in. So
Okay. Okay.
looking fairly solid. You know, if the guys can bowl a pretty good game here, that we'll still have all 4 in the top 12.
Prather started out spare split strike. So
Yeah,
see
we'll
how he finishes up here. Need like probably like a 220 for the guarantee.
Bang, bang.
Hi everyone.
It sounded super creepy.
Chris, how we doing?
I can't throw it slow enough.
That's a bold-faced lie. Absolute lie. Yeah, what are you doing?
On the last pair it was 13-3.
Did me punch you in the leg?
I need it. Or in the back. Something.
No, we
Just
don't want
slip
to
your disc.
slip that disc.
That's
Maybe
how
maybe
you
it's back in place. Maybe it's
You
back
need
in
to
place.
slip
I'm
it
too
again.
strong.
Too strong. Okay.
Literally the only requirement right now is to throw it to the right. But I didn't throw it to the right. I have to throw it to the right. Santu throws it to the right. Every single time Santu throws it to the right. Dom also, every single time, throws it to the right. Me? Not so much.
Nick, how many back are we making the show?
I'm 42 back.
6 games.
6 games.
That's one good game.
I had an up and down block. It's 114 after 2. Hit a tricky pair, didn't see the shape. That's why I got the Hall of Famer behind me. Helping me out.
Trying.
Right, PBA tournament players. Warm-up periods should be turned off now.
What are the keys for this block for Nick?
Shots of the warm-up
Get
periods.
into
Go ahead.
pay attention,
Starting
listen,
lineups.
become a great housewife, and hopefully throw it over his left toe and consecutively strike.
Dom Barrett's in the lead.
He's not.
He's not. Santu's still in the lead.
Held him off.
Held him off. Santu's in the lead. Dom's in second by a healthy margin. And then Father Barnes has come out from the depths of the underworld to be in third. Darren's in fourth. And Brad and Nick are on the prowl. So 2 games to go. We'll see.
So the 3 house guys are battling for the 1 spot.
2 spots. 2 spots.
I guess Barnes is Barnes is attainable.
There's a lot of people on the prowl.